The newbies are my favorite. Woo! Hey guys, I'm here with Shelby.
Hi everybody.
And Shelby is a newbie. She's never been adjusted before.
That's right.
You excited?
A little nervous, but I'm excited. I've been feeling some pain, so I'm hoping this is gonna help sort a lot of things out.
Your mid-back and your
Left
your
hip,
hips.
yeah. Mid-back's been the last couple of weeks. This is something I'd experienced before. I'd gone to a PT and they kind of were able to give like short-term relief, but it keeps coming back. Sort of feels like rib or something might be a little bit off, and it's getting into kind of nerve pain going up the right side. And then while I'm here, I also wanted to work with you on some low left back, like sciatica kind of pain that I've been experiencing.
Okay, so I'm gonna check everything.
Perfect, yes.
Not just those areas, but stand up for me for a second and turn around and face this way. Okay, so are you able to point to where it bothers you, like in your mid-back specifically?
Yeah,
is it right in the middle?
right, yeah, right about there.
Is it more on the right side?
More on the right side, yeah.
Okay, so let me actually go here. So like in in here.
Yep.
Yeah. Like all of that in there.
Yeah.
Okay. And then can you point to where it bothers you?
Yeah, it kind of gets right in that like left leg.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me just see. Right. I'm looking to see how symmetrical you are here. So how symmetrical is she?
From this angle?
Yeah. Put you to work over there. So from my point of view here, this shoulder is higher. Which shoulder is higher on her?
Yeah, that one.
That one?
You can
Okay.
see it with your fingertips.
Yeah. Yeah, so everything on this side. Are you right-handed?
I'm right-handed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, you have a little bit of a curvature in your spine too.
You know, I've actually, it's not hurting right now, but a couple months ago I was having like pretty intense pain on that left side. So
In
that's,
here?
yeah, I'm not surprised you're seeing something there.
Yeah. Okay, so can I have you just keep back up just a little bit?
Yep.
So I want to check with the curvature of that part of your spine. So I'm just gonna have you go like this so I can kind of see where this is. You can stop right there. Let me see. That's not too bad. Normally, if you have like a pretty bad curvature in here, like you'll actually look kind of lopsided there. But that's not too bad. You can stand up. Okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Ready? Okay. So I'm gonna have you lay face down on here. So your face goes here, and you put your hands on those black bars right there. And you comfy? Yep. All right. Let's see. So, the newbies are my favorite.
Get all the very authentic reactions.
Yeah, the first time you get adjusted, it's the most amazing, right? Because you're like, it looks cool, but what does it actually feel like? All right, so I'm seeing in here. Does any of that hurt when I press in here?
It just feels sore, not painful.
Okay. What about like in here? It's not too
No, not too tender.
Okay. So when does this bother you the most? Like when you're standing, when you're sitting, when
Usually sitting.
sitting? Okay.
And I've noticed if I'm in any sort of like an airplane seat, so they're kind of bent.
Oh,
a little
flying?
bit. Yeah.
Yeah. Are your legs relaxed?
Yeah.
Now they are.
Yep.
Ooh. You've got a leg that is a lot shorter. Oh, you're coming over here to see. Come over here. She's inching over. Okay.
It's been hobbling
Which
around.
leg? So look down that way. Which leg is shorter?
Definitely this one.
Yeah, you see it?
Does
like
that come
there?
from the hip or is that just from my
Well, we're gonna find out, but it is.
I'm nosy.
This leg is a lot shorter.
I've just been walking in circles.
Walking in circles. Yeah. So when I press down here, this leg is moving, right? Which is normal.
Yeah.
When I press down here, both of your legs are moving.
Interesting. Yeah.
And hopefully we'll get that like on camera so you can see it too. But
Yeah.
this side is actually more stuck than this side. So I'm gonna start down here,
Okay.
and then I'll work my way up here.
Yep.
All right, so it's okay if I press right there?
Yep.
All right, so I'm gonna press down here.
Okay.
The table's gonna go up under you. I'm gonna press down here, and when I press down, the table will drop down, so it's
Okay.
gonna sound like that,
Gotcha.
okay? So. Doing all right?
Yep.
Let's see if this...
Let me know if you need a scooter.
You're totally fine just how you are. It's a little bit better. It needs a little bit more in here. All right, I'm gonna come back to this. I'm gonna check in here. So right in here, I start feeling like nothing's moving. You said ow?
No, you're spot on.
Yeah, so it's kind of bouncy right there, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's not there.
Yes, like hard to
Right?
breathe.
Yeah. It's hard to breathe.
Yeah.
Yeah, all in here it starts getting a little bit, like the range of motion is decreasing here, especially right there. It feels like you've never been adjusted.
Years of lockup.
Oh man. Okay. Let's do this. I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in, okay?
Okay.
Good. And then breathe out all the way. Good. Stay relaxed. Stay. Girl, that is so stuck in there. That is serious. How you doing?
Hanging in there.
Hanging in there.
Okay.
I know it's probably not comfortable, but
Needs to be done.
yeah. Do you get massages ever?
I do, yeah, but it's clearly not enough.
Does it help though afterwards? Like, do you feel this releases?
Yeah, it's this one though. I think because something's so off, it's like it hasn't even been enough with the massage.
Yeah, this muscle is. You breathe. All right, take a deep breath in again. And breathe out. Go. Yeah. I love when we have a live audience. And she's like, ooh.
Ah.
All of this in here. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Man, you're doing awesome. Okay, then there's the sound effects. I was wondering. I was like, how am I doing this? And she's not even reacting. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
You feel how it releases a little bit down there?
masseuse is
Yeah.
not doing that. Oh.
What'd you say?
So the masseuse is not doing that.
There's massage feels good, but there's not many.
Yeah.
I feel like most massage therapists are not doing like therapeutic massage. They're doing kind of like a this
Relax,
feels good.
yeah.
Yeah. Can you handle that though?
Mm-hmm.
Your toes are wiggling. Right. Okay. So whether or not we like hear a cracking sound when I press down here, I want to put a little bit more motion into this area. So I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in again, all the way in, and then breathe out. Good. Stay relaxed here. Good. Okay. All right. All right, so I'm gonna adjust your low back in here, and then we're gonna do a little bit more on this side. So I'm gonna have you turn on your side and face me, like over on the side. And have you seen someone get adjusted like this before?
I think so, yeah. I think
Yeah.
I watched one of your videos.
Okay, so you're gonna bend this top knee like this, straighten that leg, and then can I have that arm?
Yep.
I'm actually gonna pull your shoulder out from under you, and then that's perfect. Just scoot towards me a little bit more. Okay. All right. Try to keep this leg as relaxed. There you go. Okay, so you're gonna take a deep breath in.
Okay.
Breathe out all the way. Keep this all relaxed.
Ooh.
Oh my.
That's nice. That's nice.
All right. Over on this side. That cooperated.
Yeah, that one is like, I was ready.
Yep. I'm gonna put this hand on your elbow there. Is this relaxed? Now it's relaxed.
Yeah.
Yep. Still relaxed? Okay, good. All right, take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Good. Stay relaxed here. Good. All right, and then face up. And straighten your legs out. Okay. Let's see. How do you feel so far?
The low back's feeling better.
Okay.
Let loosen it up a little bit. Yeah, some blood flow going in
Good,
there.
good, good. All right. Scoot up towards me just a little bit here. And then I'm going to actually move your hair backwards this way.
Okay.
How does this feel in here?
Definitely tight.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, especially on that right side.
Go here. Stay relaxed for me.
Ooh!
I'll give you a second.
Oh my god! It's like my ears have never heard a sound like that before. Ready
How you
to go.
doing?
I'm good. I'm good. It feels nice.
I'm gonna do the other side. You cool with that?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Stay relaxed for me.
Whew.
You needed that.
Yeah. My god, there's like mobility in there it hasn't felt in years.
Ever,
ever.
right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna come back and work on your mid back
Okay.
a little bit more, but while you're laying this way,
Yeah.
let me check your legs and your feet
Yeah.
and
See where we're at.
everything else. Yes. Perfect. Come over here. Yes, I want. I don't want anyone to trust me. Look at this. How's this doing? Do these look a little bit
Yeah, they look
pretty perfect?
Yeah, they look pretty even to me. If anything, the right could be longer.
We fixed her too much.
I know it looks.
Yeah, no, it's like if you look.
Her heels are great.
So this is called a medial malleolus. So if you look here, this is really what we want to be pretty even, and they're like pretty perfect right there. So yeah. Okay. Are you relaxed?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
All sorts of popping.
This side. Ooh, your
Yeah.
ankle on that
Yeah.
side. That really
My God,
needed
that's
that.
just
Yeah. Probably because you've been walking around with this one shorter and. Ooh, this whole foot needed everything.
Yeah.
You just reminded me of something else to list in pain.
Okay. Check. So I like to check like all of your lower
All the
extremity
joints,
joints, because even though you have pain in your hip, it
Everything
could
starts to get
be.
off.
This could be if there's something going on, like your ankle and things
Yeah.
like that. It would be hard for that to heal. Is this leg relaxed? Yes. Okay. Like your knee.
Oh my god.
That one wasn't as bad. Okay. All right, so, and you're probably super relaxed.
Oh, now I'm feeling amazing. Oh, yeah. Don't flip me over.
Have you,
No.
not yet, just
Okay.
stay right there.
Yeah.
So you watch some of my videos, right?
Yes.
Do you know what the Y strap is?
I saw it.
Okay. How do you feel about that? Because I'd really like to use it on you because it will hopefully open up your mid-back
Okay, I'm a
area.
little nervous, but I trust you.
It looks scarier than it actually is. So basically, I mean, I'm sure maybe if you've had a massage before, they
Yep.
keep your head relaxed, so like pull up this way a little bit.
Yeah.
So it's basically, it's a similar thing, right? Because when I'm pulling up this way, it's just got some better grip right here.
Yeah.
So my hands don't slip.
Okay.
So, and actually, you know what? Scoot down the table so your
This
head.
way? Oh,
yeah,
head down?
that way. So your head's like right here, and bend your knees and put your feet flat like that. Okay.
Gotcha.
Can you scoot down just a little bit more?
Oh, this way?
That way, good. Okay. Lift your head up for
She's
me.
planning a hard pull.
Put your head down.
Need all the force.
But I don't want to pull you off the table.
Yeah. It's like medieval torture device.
I look at those sometimes and like want it. Just because I'm like, I just want to be like elongated.
Yeah.
It feels really good.
Yeah. Like those inversion tables are great.
Yeah, so this is basically decompression of your whole spine.
Okay, got it.
So like,
Just pulling everything out.
Yeah.
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 Makes sense.
so this strap is just so this doesn't slip. I'm not
Okay.
actually adjusting your jaw. But before we do this, I'm gonna pull back just so you can feel the stretch, make sure everything's comfy here. How's that feel?
Good.
Good. All right, I'm just gonna hold that there for a second. Tuck your chin down, just not so much, just a little bit. Pull it here. Okay. So take a deep breath in. Breathe out all the way. Woo! You can straighten your legs. How you doing?
Oh, good.
Just stay there for
Yeah.
a second. Relax.
Oh, I feel like I can like breathe better from that. Oh my god.
So did you
It's
feel
not-
that like in the middle part
Yeah.
of your spine? Yeah.
Oh
I had
man.
a feeling that opened
Yeah.
it up.
It
like
definitely like pulled the neck too, but
You felt
literally
it
first
there.
breath after.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I tried to process.
That's what I was
Yep,
going for.
yep.
All right, I'm gonna have you sit up.
Okay.
And you can spin that way and face that way. You don't have to stand up or anything. Just sit there. How do you feel right now?
Good.
Good.
I think it's like I feel like a new posture or something, like a little.
Looks like you have
Yeah,
new
like a
posture
little
right
out of my body. Like it's especially in the neck. I think
Yeah.
I just have been going forward a lot, and especially that last one.
How does this area feel right now? Like if you move around a little bit, do you feel
A lot looser.
Do you
Yeah.
like you don't feel that same feeling that you felt before?
No, definitely
Okay.
feels better.
That's good.
Yeah, there's just a lot more movement available for it.
We just moved a lot.
Yeah,
There
a lot of movement. Yeah.
Can I check your arms too
Yeah.
while you're sitting here?
Yep.
What's this one? Let me see. Okay, so sit up really straight.
So I don't know why that one was the weirdest one for me.
You crack your knuckles? No. Good.
Yeah, I don't. I crack my everything else, but not my knuckles.
Everything
Yeah.
else. Well, not this.
Not that, apparently, yeah.
All right, let's keep your arm relaxed here.
Oh my god.
That one.
Who knew these elbows?
Who knew?
It's okay.
Okay. All right. So, will you stand up for me?
Yes.
And we're gonna go for a stroll around the table, and you're gonna just like move around and don't think about the fact that you're being filmed. Okay.
Sure.
Do whatever you
Hello,
need to do.
world. Yes.
I want you to like test your body out. Does anywhere still feel a little bit restricted, or is everything?
That
Feel
one,
better.
everything else is feeling like the shoulders are feeling a lot better. The pain within that middle part is gone. It just seems like there's one spot
Is it still right
that's
here?
still
You feel a
right
little
there.
bit?
Yeah.
Okay, let me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have you lay face down one more
Okay.
time. I want to just see
But I feel like there's a lot more movement around. It's just
around
able to
all
move
of that.
better. Yeah.
Sometimes it takes a little bit
More
for the
growth.
muscle to
Adjust,
adjust
yeah.
too. But can I scoot this up?
Oh,
a
yeah.
little bit? It's just sorry. It's not
Oh.
just want to feel this here. I'm gonna see if I can get this muscle right in here to relax a little bit more. So. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you feel that.
That one is.
Are you breathing? You're still breathing. Me too. Okay. Let's do this in here. All right, take a deep breath in. Do you feel it when you breathe in still?
It's definitely way better.
It's better?
Yeah. Yeah. It's hard to tell if it's just like inflammation or if it's.
Well, the muscle definitely, I mean, because you've had this going on now
Yeah,
for what,
a couple weeks, yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes the muscle takes a little bit to release after you adjust an area, but I'm trying to see if I can help that process along. Yeah, okay.
Yep.
Take a deep breath in again. Breathe out. There's a little bit left in there. Did you hear that?
Yeah, that last little
Like
pop.
a tiny little bit. Let's see. All right, go ahead and sit up for me. Let's see. Sometimes it's like the tiniest little thing that just holds it on there. So.
Oh yeah,
That was all one.
yeah.
Oh, we got it.
Thank you.
It's like fitness.
That final little puzzle
Okay.
piece.
So everything else feels good.
Much better.
Yeah. So what do you think about chiropractic?
Oh my god, I'm hooked. I'm
Yeah.
just like the releases you didn't even know you had in there. I just yeah.
I love asking the newbies that question. So, but thank you for letting us film this.
Thank you. Yes.
And
Yay.
thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.